Taxpayers are already paying for this.
Well, watching your money and your access to public records tonight, we're explaining how changes in the recently passed House budget could impact how much you pay for public records. Well, just hours ago, 10 Investigates reporter Rochelle Aline sat down with the ACLU of Ohio to discuss those changes. She joins us now with more on this. Rochelle?
Yeah, this is an issue we first told you about back in December. A change to state law was pushed through that could allow police to charge up to $750 for videos like body camera footage. That law went into effect last week. Now, under the House budget, it would be expanded to include videos that are sent to prosecuting attorneys' offices. If passed, that law would waive that potential fee for victims of a crime, their attorney or insurance company. It's a change that Governor Mike DeWine and policing advocates defended back in December. They said it would protect small police departments who may be overwhelmed by large video requests. Well, today we took that stance to the ACLU of Ohio.
What is your response to that kind of pushback from the governor and from advocates on that side of things?
It is budget season. And so if the concern is that local law enforcement or state law enforcement entities are not properly funded, that they don't have the staff to fulfill public records requests in a timely manner, well, it seems that that is something that can certainly be addressed in a budget bill.
Now, at this point, it's not a done deal. These changes would have to survive the current Senate budget session and then be signed into law by the governor. But in the meantime, the ACLU of Ohio says they will be holding an information session later this month for the public. And we also contacted prosecuting attorneys for Franklin, Fairfield, and Delaware counties. Fairfield County said they haven't made any changes to their policy at this point, but they are assessing if they need to. Franklin County said they've already adjusted their policy, and we're still waiting to hear back from Delaware County. To read their full statements, head to 10tv.com. I'm Rochelle Aline reporting for 10TV.